Juniper JN0-610 exam dumps are released online, which help you pass Cloud, Professional JNCIP-Cloud certification exam. Real JN0-610 Dumps questions are great. We have verified that you can pass Juniper certification JN0-610 exam successfully. Question number 1. Which two roles does Contrail Enterprise Multi-Cloud place on IP fabric devices in a centrally routed environment? Choose 2. A. Leaves or Layer 3 VXLAN gateways. B. Leaves or Layer 2 VXLAN gateways. C. Spines or Layer 2 VXLAN gateways. D. Spines or Layer 3 VXLAN gateways. Answer: A, B. Question number 2. What are two methods to automate the creation of service chains using Contrail Enterprise Multi-Cloud? Choose 2. A. Heat templates. B. Chef cookbooks. C. Ansible playbooks. D. Puppet manifests. Answer: A, C. Question number 3. Contrail Virtual Network corresponds to which entity in VMware vCenter? A. Distributed Virtual Switch. B. Standard Virtual Switch. C. Distributed Port Group. D. Standard Port Group. Answer: A. Question number 4. You are deploying resources within Microsoft Azure integrated with Contrail. Which set of components must be defined in this scenario? A. Region, VPC, Security Groups, EC2 Instance Details. B. Region, VNET, Security Groups, EC2 Instance Details. C. Region, Resource Group, VPC, Security Groups, Instance Details. D. Region, Resource Group, VNET, Security Groups, Instance Details. Answer: A. Question number 5. An OpenShift cluster operator wants to verify the health of the cluster network infrastructure. In this scenario, which method should the operator use to accomplish this task? A. Issue the OC get daemon set n contrail system command on the master node. B. Issue the contrail status command on the master node. C. Issue the contrail status command on the infrastructure node. D. Issue the OC get pods n contrail system command on the master node. Answer: A. Question number 6. You are connecting your on-premises data center to the Azure cloud. In this scenario, Which connection gateway service is implemented within the Azure cloud by Contrail Enterprise Multi-Cloud? A. Virtual Private Gateway. B. Multi-Cloud Gateway. C. Virtual Network Gateway. D. Customer Gateway. Answer: A. Question number 7. Which two statements are correct when deploying or integrating OpenShift with Contrail Enterprise Multi-Cloud? Choose 2. A. Contrail command for deployment is not supported. B. NFS for OpenShift logging is recommended. C. When using a load balancer, manually copy the HTTPS SWD file into all of the master nodes. D. NTP is installed automatically and synchronized. Answer: B, D. Question number 8. Which Contrail daemon set is responsible for listening to the Kubernetes API messages and creating resources in the Contrail API database? A. Contrail Controller Config. B. Contrail Config DB. C. Contrail Analytics Alarm. D. Contrail JCube Manager. Answer: A. Question number 9. Which two features of Kubernetes are supported by the Contrail CNI? Choose 2. A. Blacklist rules. B. Network isolation. C. Service chaining. D. Pod traffic shaping. Answer: A, D. Question number 10. Into which namespace are the Contrail system components deployed in an OpenShift cluster? A. Contrail system. B. OpenShift SDN. C. Networking. D. Default. Answer: D. DumpsBase released cracked version of JN0-610 Cloud. Professional JNCIP-Cloud. 100% valid version to pass 100%. DumpsBase offers 28% discount online automatically. Come to DumpsBase to get the great discount.